Here we will see different console methods in JavaScript. In JavaScript, the console function is an object that provides developers a way to interact with the browser's debugging console. This function is used to display messages, warnings, errors, and other information to help developers debug their code. With JavaScript console methods, you can effectively track bugs, gain insight into your code, and optimize your development workflow. Console is an object that can access with the different methods using dot operator. General syntax for console is console.method with parameters. Different console methods are explained below. First is console.log. This method can display message or mathematical expressions in the console. General syntax is console.log parameter. Here parameter can be message or mathematical expression. For example, if we give console.log with log message, it will generate output as log message. Next is console.info. This method in the JavaScript is used to display important message to the console. General syntax is console.info parameter, where parameter can be a string, object, and array. For example, if we give console.info information message, it will generate output with information message. Next is console.clear. This method is used to clear the mess in the console. General syntax is console.clear. This method doesn't require any parameter. For example, console.clear will generate output with clear screen. Next is console.error. This method is used to find out errors in the code. This method is developed for debugging. General syntax is console.error with parameter, where parameters of string type are required. For example, console.error message will generate output error message with red color. Then console.warn. If something goes wrong, then this method is used to display warning message to the console. General syntax is console.warn with parameters. This method also requires a string type parameter. Console.warn with parameter warning message will generate a message warning message. Will generate warning message on the screen. And next is console.table. This method is powerful tool for displaying data in tabular format within the console. It will allows you to present structured data such as arrays or objects in more organized readable manner. General syntax is console.table with parameter any data. For example, if we give console.table with parameters JavaScript, Python, C, it will generate output in table format with index 0, 1, 2 and values as JavaScript, Python and C. Now execute these console methods in VS Code. So first we'll use console.log. So console.log, we will give log message. To execute on terminal, we will use node welcome.js. It will print log message. Now we will see console.info. So console.info will print information message. And we execute this, it will print information message. Now we will comment this and we will use console.clear. So console.clear and we execute this. It will clear the screen. Then we'll see console.error and we execute this. It will print error message in red color. Then we'll see console.warn and we execute this. It will display warning message. And then we see console.table and we pass array. And we execute this, it will print data in table format, that is starting index as 0, 1, 2 and values as JavaScript, Python and C.